Welcome everyone, and if you catch the mini meditation on a replay, enjoy. Let me know if there's anything you want covered. We have started a series on anxiety on my main page as of today, and we'll be going through anxiety later on. I'll do a whole series on social anxiety as well. And if you have any other topics that you'd like covered on mental health, we'll do that as well. Okay, so I'd just like you to get comfortable where you're sitting at the moment while I rearrange everything here so I can do the best job for you. And as you get comfortable sitting there, so really just relax, let the day's thoughts go away, put it all to one side because this 5 minutes is for you. Okay, just 5 minutes to really reconnect with your heart and soul. So start your deep breathing. Feel your breath go all the way down into your body. And if it feels a bit clogged, just bring it up and push it out. Okay, push out all the negative, anything that feels thick and heavy. As you breathe in again, you feel really light and centered. Just feel yourself seated in the center of your heart and soul. And as you breathe out again, just push out anything that's thick, heavy, so that you know that your next breath in, you can actually go further, go deeper. If your thoughts want to jump in, you just put a stop sign up, so stop. I'm going to focus on my breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. Relax your body, so relax all your muscles. And just rest. As you focus on your breathing, I'll read I'm going to read from Jesus Calling today, and I'm also going to read from Walk With Me, Jesus, which I've found very, very heart and soul inspiring. Deep breath in. Let me anoint you with my presence. I am King of Kings and Lord of Lords, dwelling in unapproachable light. When you draw near to me, I respond by coming closer to you. As my presence envelops you, you may feel overwhelmed by my power and glory. This is a form of worship, sensing your smallness in comparison to my greatness. Man has tended to make himself the measure of all things, but man's measure is too tiny to comprehend my majestic vastness. That is why most people do not see me at all, even though they live and move and have their being in me. Enjoy the radiant beauty of my presence. Declare my glorious being to the world, which God will bring about in his own time. God, the blessed and only ruler, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, who alone is immortal and who lives in unapproachable light, whom no one has seen or can see. To him be honour and might forever. Amen. Come near to God, and he will come near to you. Wash your hands, you sinners, and purify your hearts, you double-minded. For in him we live and move and have our being. As some of your own poets have said, we are his offspring. Great is the Lord and most worthy of praise. His greatness no one can fathom. One generation will commend your works to another. They will tell of your mighty acts. They will speak of the glorious splendor of your majesty. And I will meditate on your wonderful works. They will tell of the power of your awesome works, and I will proclaim your great deeds. Nothing is too damaged for me to repair. Nothing is too broken that I can't put together again. Nothing can go too far away from me that I can't find it. Nothing is too weak that I can't make strong. Rise up today, dear one, and take what you need from me. I want to give you everything. As you sit in your heart space, just begin to feel that strength that lives within you. And as you settle into your heart, what's the one next thing that you can let go of? Because your strength is there and it's rebuilding. If your mind struggles with that, that's okay. Consistency is what matters. Just the one next thing you can let go of. And if the fear comes that you can let go of it, touch base with that sense of strength within you that you can do this and we can do life together. Just keep your breathing going for as long as you want and relax. Blessings and dreams.